All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at ticker symbol Wish, WISH. Now, Wish has been rallying pretty hard. Okay, if you look, it just recently bottomed out at 2.1. Okay, and we'll go ahead and draw it up from here. From 2.1 up to its recent highs is about a 40% run up in the past week. Okay, the past 7 days. In my previous video that I covered Wish, I demonstrated that we had some bullish divergence. Okay, that's basically when the stock price, we had a low here and we kind of just went sideways, right? Had a low there. And then, the RSI, however, went up. Okay. So we had a low here and then a higher low there. That's what's known as a bullish divergence. Okay. I have a tutorial on that in the top right hand corner of this video. If you need a little bit of, some explanation right now, we have a bull flag going on. So, here's our flag. All right. We broke out of the flag. We came back, retested it, and we're opening today pre-market above it. So, this is going to be our breakout levels right here. It's going to be this one and this one. Okay. If we can get past these two levels, these are going to be the previous day highs, right? Okay. So this is yesterday's intraday high, and then this is the day before's pre-market high, right? If we can break past both of these levels today on the 1 hour chart, right, and maintain trading above it, right? Like we need the candlesticks to open and close above it. Then we can go ahead and hit our first bullish price target at basically at $3. Right. So if you're trading to Wish today, you want to look out for it to basically hit resistance at 293, 297, and $3.08. Anyways, that's basically right around there in that $3 range. There's going to be three levels of resistance. If we can break those levels of resistance, then the bull flag is going to take us up to 350. All right, around 345 to like 350 area. So that's what we're looking at for on Wish today, to see if that happens. Okay, and now if we get rejected at any of these levels that I mentioned before, then we're going to be falling down, and this is going to be kind of where I would have your stop loss if you're in some calls, because we trade options really. So if you're in some call options, which means you think the stock is going up and you've been riding this momentum, okay, and you're trying to figure out where I should cut it at, where I should take profit in case it reverses and comes back down, or where to take profit at, where it's coming up at, and where you can sell at like a good resistance where that could be the top, either any one of these three levels could be the top and then we come back down, or we could break past them and then come back up to hit the bull flag targets. So the main thing you want to monitor, okay, is going to be the VIX. All right, we'll go ahead and look at the VIX. And the VIX is the volatility index. When this goes down, the market goes up. Now, there's been a huge gap down to fill. Okay, gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when, right? You don't know when it's going to fill. So, we have this gap here from a couple weeks ago. All right, we rallied hard on the VIX, which means the market dropped. Okay, and everybody felt that. All right, everything went down really, really hard, really, really quick. But now since then, for the past like 7 days, let's look here how many days it's been, and the VIX has fallen like almost 45%. Okay, about 45% in 9 trading days. All right, so that's really phenomenal. That's really good to see, and we are right up on that big daily, or that big gap down, right? So what we're looking for is to see this gap fill down here, and this would cause the market to go up. Okay, because when the VIX goes down, then the market goes up. Now there's a slight gap up that was just created this morning. I'm expecting maybe the VIX to go up, right, and fill this in the morning, and then drop back down and fill this gap down here. Okay, this gap is where the momentum has been driving towards, but VIX has been falling very, very hard and very, very sharply. So we could see this thing fall even more, or it might be due for a bounce and then further drop down into the gap. All right, so keep an eye on the VIX, keep an eye on Wish, and just monitor all those levels. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord and trade with us, we get 100% trades, like 3, 4, 5 times a week, sometimes 3 times a day. So, definitely join the Discord. You can follow our trades, get in, get out with us. And, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just, our opinions. And, it's your choice if you want to be a member and follow and participate or not. We recently just had a member, he made about $75,000 in one day this week, which is really great. We love to see stuff like that. So, join the Discord. Link is in the description below, and use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get a discount on your membership.